Hi, this is Shruti, your guide for today, and in this video we'll be learning how to use your Meta Quest 2. So before we start, let's see what's inside the box. So in this box you'll find one Meta Quest 2 headset, 2 touch controllers, one charging cable with a power adapter, and 2 AA batteries which will be inside the controller. So now that we know what's inside the box, let's learn how to use your Meta Quest 2. So let's take the headset first. You'll see a power button on the right. So we have to press this power button for a couple of seconds. So once your headset is on, you'll see this white light near the button glowing. To check if there are batteries inside the controller, you'll see this arrow on the controller. You just have to slide it downwards like this and you can open it and you can see if there are batteries or not. If not, you can just insert batteries and then push it up again. Turning on your controllers is really easy. So once you put the batteries inside and once you turn on your headset, it will automatically pair up with your headset. So how do you know your controllers are on right now? So once it gets paired with your headset, it will blink a light and slightly vibrate for 1 second. To connect your VR with the phone, download the Meta Horizon app. Once you have downloaded the app, you have to put the headset on. Once you have put your headset on, you'll see these instructions on the screen. Follow it. So you have to connect the headset to the Wi-Fi and then pair it with your phone so that you can play all the games inside it. Now let's learn about the buttons. So on your right controller, you'll see this B and A button. On your left controller, you'll see this Y and X button. To view your home environment and universal menu, press the Meta button on your right controller. So before playing any games, you have to create a new boundary. To view more games in the VR, to access more games, navigate down using the joystick on your left controller. If you want to select something, you can use these trigger buttons on your controller, or you can also use this A button on your right controller or this X button on your left controller. If you press the Oculus button on the right controller, it will bring up the menu button. The menu button will show you all the games that are available and you can use the joystick to navigate it. So yes, you can browse all the games from within the headset, or you can also use the phone app. Now comes the most important part, how to charge your headset. It's nothing complicated. You have to use the USB-C cable that we have provided with the box. There's a charging slot given in the headset. Plug this in and the other end to a power source. So once you see the red light, it means it is charging. To fully charge your headset, it takes around 2 hours and it lasts around 2-3 hours. Now that you're done playing, let's learn how to turn it off. So there are 2 ways to turn your headset off. One is you press on this button once and then a shutdown menu will appear. You can select a power off option and it will turn off. The second way is you can just press and hold this button for 2-3 seconds and it will power off. Once it's turned off, you'll see this light will be gone. So yeah, that's all about the Meta Quest 2. Now you're ready to explore the virtual world. If you found this content informative, do hit the subscribe button.